अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? Today we are going to talk about our beloved country Pakistan. I'm sure आप सबको पता है कि पाकिस्तान कब वजूद में आया? जी हाँ, पाकिस्तान came into being on 14th August 1947 और हमारे मुल्क का ऑफिशियल नाम है इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। आपको पता है एरिया कितना है पाकिस्तान का? कितना बड़ा है? The area is 796,096 square kilometers. आसान है ना याद करना? आपने कभी एक ग्लोब देखा है? बिल्कुल, वो जो राउंड सा होता है और उसको आप राउंड इन राउंड करके दुनिया के सारे ममालिक को देख सकते हैं कि कौन सा कहाँ है। Have you ever rotated a globe map and tried to search for Pakistan? I have. And in today's episode, we are going to find out about Pakistan on the globe. In one of our previous episodes, we have explored the globe in its lines of latitude and longitude, equator, prime meridian, hemispheres, and the 4 directions. याद है आपको? चलें, let's revise it a bit. Do you remember in which continent lies our country? It lies in the continent of Asia. And Pakistan is located above the equator. That means that it lies in the northern hemisphere. To be more precise, it is located on the Tropic of Cancer in eastern hemisphere and a part of the southern Asia. हम देखते हैं कि ग्लोब में एग्जैक्टली किधर ही आता है. Now let's talk a little about degrees. Our country, Pakistan, lies between 23.5 degrees to 37 degrees north of latitude and 61 to 77 degrees east of longitude. It touches the Hindu Kush Mountains in the north and extends from the mountain ranges to the Arabian Sea. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि इतना जानना ज़रूरी क्यों है कि पाकिस्तान की लोकेशन क्या है? Because with the help of Pakistan's geostrategic position, we can know which countries are our neighbors and what benefits we can get from our surroundings. हमें ये भी पता चलता है कि किस तरह का क्लाइमेट हम पूरे साल महसूस करते हैं अपने मुल्क में. Let's have a look at our neighbors. On our east lies the country India. In the north, we have China. And Afghanistan lies at our northwest, and Iran lies at the southwest. And you know where the Persian Gulf is? The Persian Gulf is located in the southwest of Pakistan. The countries that surround the Persian Gulf are Bahrain, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, जिनको हम UAE भी कहते हैं. All these countries have to go through Pakistan to reach the sea. And all these countries are famous for their oil and gas fields. Thus, they are important in regard to our future needs. Afghanistan and Central Asian countries have to go through the land of Pakistan to reach the sea. And if we join these countries with a motorway, it will definitely open the door for future for them as well as for Pakistan. आपको क्या लगता है इन सब नेबर्स में सबसे अच्छे रिलेशनशिप हमारे किस कंट्री के साथ हैं? With China. We have a very warm and friendly relationship with China. The friendship between the two countries is stronger than the Himalayas. China has helped Pakistan in developing several projects, and one of them is the defense project. To our east is India. Since independence, India and Pakistan have never felt themselves at ease with each other. Moreover, 4 wars have been fought between these two countries until now. But as a result, no progress could be made in the region. And sadly, the dispute of Kashmir between the two countries is still pending in the UNO. But I hope कि whatever our disputes are, they will all resolve soon. And Pakistan can enjoy a taste of progress with India and all of the rest of her neighbors. चलें, अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1. Islamic Republic of Pakistan has an area of 796,096 square kilometers. Number 2. Pakistan lies between 23.5 degrees to 37 degrees north of latitude and 61 to 77 degrees east of longitude. Number 3. Pakistan is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres. Number 4. The Persian Gulf is located in the southwest of Pakistan. Number 5. Persian Gulf includes Bahrain, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. Pakistan is located in the Tropic of Dash, Cancer. Number 2. Dash lies on the east of Pakistan, India. Number 3. Countries included in the Persian Gulf are famous for dash and dash fields, gas and oil. Number 4. Dash wars have been fought between India and Pakistan up till now. 4. Number 5. Iran is located on the dash of Pakistan, Southwest. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.